Hello everyone, this is K-Size China. Today, we are introducing a radar water level sensor module, KLM800. The most notable feature of the KLM800 is its compact size. It supports TTL, or RS-485 interfaces, making it highly suitable for secondary development applications. In addition, it is equipped with an 80 GHz high-frequency radar chip, which allows it to operate in different measurement environments. It features high measurement accuracy, a narrow beam angle, a PTFE lens, and offers strong performance in complex environments with excellent corrosion resistance. We have provided the main technical parameters of this product for your reference. Next, we will introduce the wiring method for the KLM800. First, take a look at the sensor's connector, where the corresponding pin labels are clearly marked next to it. The unit shown here is the TTL version of the KLM800 sensor. The wiring sequence from left to right is 3.3 volts, GN, DT, X, and RX. Now we can begin the wiring process. Please note that in TTL wiring mode, the sensor's TX should be connected to the RX of the host device. The sensor's RX should be connected to the TX of the host device. After completing the wiring, be sure to double-check the pin connections. Once everything is confirmed to be correct, you can proceed to power on the device. After watching, for more product details or model options, please contact us via our official email or phone number. We understand your needs.